Now I'm going to show the chain stitch binding. There is a handout if you would like, or you can follow along with the video. For the chain stitch, you need to have 4 times the length, so a little bit longer than what we did before. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to go ahead and wax the string just like we did before. And thread. Okay, for the chain stitch, you're going to start on the inside in hole number 1. Leave yourself a tail, but you don't need to clip it because we will be using it soon. Number 2. And then you're going to do number 1, number 2 again. And then this is where you tie the first knot. So I'm going to do the short string over top. Short string goes through, pull that tight. And then short string over top again. Short string through. If you have a partner, it's a little easier. Okay, and then only cut the short side. You still need the other side. Okay, now you're going to go down to number 3. Once you're here, there are 2 strings right in here. I'm going to go underneath those 2 and back to hole number 3. That little loop right here, that's the part that makes it look like a chain, and this will be continued all the way down. So I'm going to flip it over, go into the next hole down. Loop underneath. It doesn't matter which way you go, it'll look the same either way. This will be continued all the way to the bottom. You do need to tighten this as you go because it's not very easy to go back if you had a huge gap up here somewhere. Okay, now at the bottom. To do the knot, what you're going to do is start from one side. I'm going to start to the left just because I'm over here. I'm going to hang on to this bottom part right here. Through the last little link, I'm going to slide my needle, and then I'm going to slide it through the loop I have because I held onto it and pull that tight. And then do the same thing from the opposite side. Underneath, I'm going to hang on to this loop and put my needle through this loop. And that should tie you a square knot. If you're not really sure if it's going to hold, kind of pull on there. Mine seems like it's going to hold. Go ahead and cut it, leave a little bit down in here. You can go ahead and take your clips off and you are ready to roll.